We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms.
So here I am with my cat. We just got STARLINK and we are going to go ahead and give it a shot. So this is going to be the unboxing for it. Did some research since we're out here in the middle of nowhere also. Not really badly in the middle of nowhere, but there's no mainstream type of internet for us out here. So what we have been using has been so-so. We wanted to give STARLINK a shot and see if it's going to do any better for us. Here's the antenna for it. That's going to be the router right there. See, it looks very different, right?
Yeah, it does.
Not your normal device. Of course, all this is done digitally, so I'm just going to take it out of the box first here, and then I'll have to follow the instructions on my phone on how to set it up.
That's all that's in there?
Yeah, that's it. If you didn't know already, this is our big yellow cat, Zeus.
Yeah, I don't think they ever. Oh, well, he was in the doorknob video. He came to visit us when we were doing the doorknobs.
That's apropos.
Doorknob? Yeah, he's a yellow cat, so he has one brain cell.
Hi, Zeus. Yeah.
He's a big yellow kitty.
Yep.
He was a rescue from the parking lot at Costco 9 years ago, almost 10 years now.
Yeah, yeah.
And he is overweight, but I guess that's normal for yellow cats too. Yeah, he says yeah.
Older, yeah.
He says yeah. And so, you know, we try to, and the cat food and the water up on the desk because the dogs, we don't want the dogs eating it. Okay, so electric cord. Oh, that's even a weird plug-in.
Yeah, it is. Very different.
Huh. That router sort of looks like the truck.
Hmm?
The truck that they designed,
Oh,
the Tesla design.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Tesla
Has
truck.
the same lines.
Right. Regulatory notices. Keys back. This. Okay.
That's weird, isn't it? It looks like cardboard.
It is. Yeah. This.
So for right now, we're just gonna put it on the ground.
Yeah, just get it set up.
That's a very large plug that you're gonna have to run through the wall.
Yeah, it is.
What's the other end look like? Does it come off on the other end?
I don't think so. Nope. But yeah, we just basically put this someplace where it's going to get the best signal. So let me get my phone out and see what I'm doing here. Well, apparently, there's a STARLINK Ethernet adapter that you have to get.
So we need that before we can go farther.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. You're a good guy. Yeah, you are. You're a good guy. Yeah, are you happy we're getting new internet?
Mm.
Are you happy?
Okay, so let me take this thing outside. Find a place for it. I'll run the wire through here.
Okay. Hey, Sappy. Hey, Artemis. We have a baby gate with a cat door in it
Yep.
to the laundry room because this is not a Tootsie Roll factory.
No. It is not.
It's not a Tootsie Roll factory.
Let me get shoes back on. Okay, let's see. What else does it say now?
What about?
Find a location. I have a location. Plug in your STARLINK.
And aim it directly straight up.
It's going to tilt automatically.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Zeus is getting so brave. He was very afraid of the dogs. But the dogs are getting really good with the cats. They're not so, they're pushy. Saphira is very pushy. She knows to leave the kitties alone. And Zeus is being very brave. Hi. Hi, crazy mama kitty. Look at that. Look at that. It did.
It tilted automatically.
It did. So now what?
Okay, so to that, now it says join STARLINK Wi-Fi network. It may take about 30 seconds for it to appear. So I'm opening my settings.
What?
Waiting for it to appear.
Oh.
I just show I just show Netgear next, and I show Stinky.
Stinky, yeah. It's funny, somebody named their network Stinky.
But it's a really strong connection, so that's kind of weird.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it on there? Like, why are you saying it's a strong connection?
The Stinky network is an extremely strong connection, just like the Netgear guest one is. So I'm wondering if that's actually it, and it's just kind of some kind of joke.
No. It's not gonna say stinky. Gypsy. You're all up in everything today, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, making faces at the camera.
Yeah, Elon Musk changing STARLINK's default Wi-Fi name to Stinky.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That's awesome.
would he say that? Enter your Wi-Fi network name. Huh. Hi. Hi, Aragorn. Hi, little boy. Hi, little boy.
Okay.
How are you?
Name your network and protect it with a password.
Hi, little boy. You have very sharp claws. Yes, you do. You have very sharp claws.
So it's currently rebooting.
Oh, with its new name.
Yes.
Is that why it's tilted at a different angle?
You must have found a better connection or something.
Huh. Stinky.
Yep.
That's hilarious.
It rebooted. I just linked back up to it again onto that network.
Yeah. So can I do that now too?
Yeah. And you're all set. The password is.
You're telling Gypsy. That way, when you forget, you can ask her.
Yeah.
And she'll tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah. She is the matriarch of the outside cat.
That's right. There we go.
Wow.
You are
I'm on
there
it.
now too.
Ah!
So we'll see. Let's see. Visibility good, range, speed, statistics. Now there are 2 devices on there. So then we just need to basically shop. I want to
You need to get a
mount
mount.
for up here.
Yeah.
And that will be good.
Yeah.
Then run it through there, and we'll have plenty of extra cable because there's like freaking plenty of holes there. Yeah. Hi.
He says, I'm getting it.
Statistics.
This is what we want to hear.
87 megabytes per second. 52 milliseconds latency. That's not bad at all. Upload is still going.
That's what I'm interested in.
12 megabytes per second upload.
Right. Well, we'll have to update occasionally to see. How it's going.
We'll do updates. We'll see what happens in a couple days. Bye. We just got STARLINK and I've been running it for a couple weeks. It's been doing very well for us. We've had very few times where watching shows and that kind of stuff we've had any lag whatsoever. That's definitely an improvement over our last one. In addition, since we're doing these videos and all, we have had to wait for a while to have them upload. But with STARLINK, we can literally upload a 15, 20, 30-minute video in like maybe a couple of hours, maybe.
It's a couple hours, yeah.
Right.
If it's
so,
a 30-minute video, it's a couple hours.
Yeah, if it's smaller than that, it just takes
30
less
minutes,
and less time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's basically like 10, 15 times faster than what we had before. What we first started out with was a internet service that was provided through cell phone towers, and we had a couple of directional antennas for that. It took me a while to hook it all up and everything, find the best signal and all, and it was not great. I mean, we would have to wait 24, 48 hours to upload a video. When it came to actually watching television shows, we'd either wait a while before we started watching the show, or we would have a lot of pauses in there during the show. So maybe a 45-minute show would take over an hour to watch. In addition, when we were in California, we lived in very populated areas. We had gigabit internet, so coming to this was very different. The other thing that was affected is that we do like to play games on our computer, and that was virtually impossible. One person might be able to hop on with a lot of lag. There was no chance of two of us hopping on at the same time. So when we had the opportunity, we dropped them. We went with another internet provider, and basically they use line of sight antennas to their towers. That was a significant improvement. It would take, you know, maybe a day, several hours to upload a video, but we could watch television through the internet, you know, Netflix, Amazon Prime, that kind of stuff. Just, you know, without too much of a problem, although you would have to expect 2 or 3 times during the show you would have some lag. So we're thinking, okay, that's not too bad. We could hop on, we could both actually play, and sometimes we would get booted. And, you know, we could play it sometimes, but between the fact that we're trying to build a farm and doing all these other things, actually making videos and all, we didn't get a chance to play it that much anyways. So, you know, last year, like a lot of people put in for STARLINK and gave it a shot, and we've been running it for a couple weeks now. And again, uploading the videos vastly faster. She just sets it up, boom, don't have to worry about it, it's good to go. It'll be ready to play on Sunday mornings when we have it set up to go. In addition, you know, most cases, the download speed is also faster. There's a very rare chance that we'll be watching a show and we have any lag whatsoever on the show. We have been playing our game again now several times. A new expansion came out. We've been able to play it with very few problems. But we'll take a look here and see what STARLINK is at right now. I do have an app to check out the speed test on it. This time it isn't overly impressive, but it does fluctuate quite a bit. This time I had a download speed of 59, upload speed of 3.36. So that upload speed is pretty slow.
That's pretty
actually.
slow right now, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. I might try it again and see what I get this time. Because we have gotten is the download speed as high as 180 and the upload speed as high as 28. And that is just amazing compared to what we were doing. The first service we had, I would be lucky if I had.
It was like 1 point something.
Yeah, I'd be lucky if I had even 1 megabyte per second down or upload speed. Download speed would probably be around 20. The previous one would hit in the 40s for download and maybe 1.8, 1.9 for upload. Let me try this again and see. So this time it was 155 and 8. So yeah. Again, pretty weird. I mean, it's all based off of satellites, but as many of you might already know, there's a huge number of STARLINK satellites up there orbiting. I think we're around 20,000 of them or something right now. And
maybe it was handing off from one to the next, who knows?
It could be, yeah. But I mean, it's still, like I said, it's really good. We've been having fun with it. Haven't had too many problems. What we used to do with the previous internet service, like when we're messing on our cell phones, watching a TV show or something like that, we're just playing a TV show in the background, kind of looking up information on our cell phones. And a lot of times we'd have to go from the home internet to just switch over to cell phone coverage, and whichever one would be faster. Well, now it's not really a question of which one's faster. We're always hooked up to STARLINK because it's going to give us the fastest speed, no matter what. It's better than our cell signal out here. Because out where we're at, the cell signal isn't all that great either.
Right.
I've used Wilson Pro boosters to make the cell signal in the house stronger. Even then, sometimes it's fluctuated pretty badly. But, just one of those country living things. So, hope you like that review, or like everybody else. It's pretty awesome for a rural area.
And so, I think it's only going to get better.
Yeah, it'll only get better. The more he puts up there, the better the coverage will be. And we know he's still shooting them up there like crazy. So, if you like it, I'll talk to you later. Bye.